there's pinata full of candies. There's a cake with candles. My sister's pulling my ears.
And what is this number?
2.
Excellent! The next week
This is my boat. I call
a
boat.
It's a boat! Excellent! And this is?
A bus.
This is a bus! That's right, Yasmina! What is this?
A car.
Great!
2 turtles and a table. Red.
And this?
Blue.
What is this color?
Yellow bus. There's 2 toys and there's 1 swing. There.
We can share.
We can share. This is a boy. This is grandma. This is grandpa.
Read them.
Mom, Meg, and me. This is a sad face and this is happy face. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job, Mina!
And this is a nose, and this is the eyes, and this is a mouth, and this is ears. Grandpa. This is dad. This is dad. This is mom. This is grandma. That is grandma. And this is grandpa.
ما شاء الله عليه ياسموني تقرا بريكيجي في مدرسة وندرلاند، والبريكيجي اللي عمر 3 سنوات، أما عمر ال4 سنوات وال5 كيجي 1 وكيجي 2، وعندهم حتى حضانة. والحلو في الموضوع إن هم فاتحين تسجيل السيمستر الثاني. المدرسة تبارك الرحمن عن تجربة، كانهم في النوفليين، وحنحط لكم الرابط متاعهم. السلام عليكم.